We completed Anaconda installation and also we completed Notepad++ installation. Now this is the time to go and try to try to write a program using Notepad. Let us see how we can write in the Notepad. Okay, I opened desktop. On the desktop, let us say, I'm going with the one folder. I'm creating it for you people purpose. Let us say I'm creating one folder with today's date. I'm creating B 2019 then 12 31st. Inside this one I would like to go with the one notepad. Let me go for new, then let me go for test document. I'm trying to prepare a test document, giving the name as we are writing here hello world program. So same name I am trying to write here hello world. Generally any language we are trying to learn it, okay, people will be writing as first program as hello world. Let us see how we can write using the Python. Make sure the extension of the Python file is .py. What is that? .py. It's similar to the Java means .java, C language means .c, C++ means CPP. How it is available? Similarly, here Python is .py. The moment you changed here, you must see the type of file is equal to what type of file? Python file. You must see it. You are not seeing this means something else wrong. Now right click on this one. There we have here edit with or open with normal notepad. I am going with the normal notepad. Problem with the normal notepad is now I want to write something here. Are you going to get any guidelines? No, everything you have to type it. Suppose I don't know print statement spelling or I don't know print statement syntax, still I have to learn somewhere and I have to put here. Here you are not going to get any guidelines. So that is what the problem what we have with the notepad typing the script or anything. Suppose I written here print hello world I written. Or I am writing here one more command by saying here, let's say print 1 plus 2 I am writing. Or I am writing here one more thing, let's say print, let's say Myla, then plus, then Ram, ready, I am putting it. So here plus behavior is different. If I have the numbers, it is going to do the addition. If I have the strings, then it is going to do the concatenation. Let's see the output, how it looks like. I am going to the file menu, then I am saving it, then I am closing it. I want to run this one. How I can run it? Just now you completed installation of the Anaconda, right? If you go to the Anaconda here, there is one thing is available, Anaconda prompt. Try to open Anaconda prompt as a administrator. That means right click on this. There is an option called as run as administrator. Click on that. Then Anaconda prompt will be opens for you. This is what the Anaconda prompt what is opened. Now we need to write here Python because we are trying to run here Python file. You are trying to run it. Give one space, followed by where is your file, the path you need to provide it. So this is what the path is available. I am passing it. Slash, what is the name of the file? Hello world file. Let us go and try to provide the name also. So I am trying to provide the name also. I am providing it. So Python, then followed by entire path we are writing it. Then enter, we should able to see whatever code we written. What is this? Hello world. This is nothing but 3. This is nothing but Myla Ram Reddy. It's concatenated. So very simple to write your program. Very simple to write your program even in the notepad. But only problem is you should know the syntaxes and everything your own. There is no guidelines we are getting it. Those are the problems what we have writing the program in the notepad. I written here what are the problems also I written here clearly. So you can observe it. No help will get it. No auto filling. Syntax need to remember and write end to end. You have to write it. We need to write each and every function name fully, something like this. Due to these problems, we never write in live in our real project, we are not going to write any program in the Notepad directly. Okay, so this is how we written, and also screenshot is available, material is available, you'll able to follow it. Please try to do this one, then we'll move on to the next one.